everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today we will once again take a tour to Warli tribal art from Maharashtra, India. Remember we talked about Warli tribal art's origin, tools, styles and specialities in our part 1 video. Today we will talk about Warli paintings. What is actually Warli painting? History, concept behind the shapes, symbolism in Warli painting, modern trends and a very special thing, relation between maths and Warli art. So stay tuned till the end. So before we talk about all this history and all the other topics, let's just first discuss about the particular painting illustration we are doing today. Here I have used black paper and white color because I think this monochrome painting, this monochrome shade of black and white actually gives a very bold statement to this painting. It reflects very well in this monochromatic black and white combination. So I have used black paper and white color to depict my painting. And unlike the previous Warli video 1, where we did illustrate a wedding scene of Warli painting, here in this Warli painting part 2 video, we can see a daily life of Warli tribes. Trees, birds, sun, people grinding grains in home, a woman is taking water, so these kind of things. Also the border designs are illustrated here according to the Warli traditional Warli painting and some modern techniques, modern implementations as well. Now let's know about what is Warli art. What is actually a Warli art? So Warli art is a beautiful folk art of Maharashtra, traditionally created by the tribal women. Tribals are the Warli and Malkhar Koli tribes found in the northern outskirts of Mumbai in western India. Now let's talk about the history. While there are no exact records for the origins of this art, its root may be traced to as early as the 10th century AD. Research suggests that the tribals are the propagators of a tradition which originated sometimes in the Neolithic period between 2500 BC and 3000 BC. This art carry on a tradition stretching back to 2500 to 3000 BC, as I said. The mural paintings are similar to those done between 500 to 10,000 BC in the rock shelters of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. So it is that much old. Now previously also we have discussed that in Warli painting there are lots of shapes are very much dominating. So you can see the human beings and the trees and the other things are in a particular shape. So what is the concept behind this shape? Worli painting is a very simple and linear with the maximum use of the triangular shapes. So triangular shape is very dominating here. As the universal energy or yang concept having the upward facing triangle representing the male and the downward facing triangle representing the woman. It also represents fertility as the tribal belief revolve around the cycle of the birth and death. No wedding takes place without the drawing of Mother Goddess in the front portion of the bride's house. Usually, the paintings are done by married women. Another important ceremony in the Tarpa dance. The village head is known as Bhagat. Now let's talk about the symbolism in Worli art. So every symbol here in this particular tribal art has their own meaning. Men and women in a spiral form and circular designs in Worli painting symbolize the circle of life. The harmony and balance depicted in these paintings is supposed to signify the harmony and balance of the universe. The sacred nature of the trees is suggested by their soaring heights in relation to the men and beasts. Dances of spring, of budding trees, of the meeting of lovers, and the poise and abandon from an important situation in tribal vocabulary. Nothing is static. The trees, the human figures, the birds challenge and respond to each other, create tensions and resolves them. The art of the tribal people symbolizes men's harmony with each other and with nature. So these paintings also supposedly invoke powers of the gods. So apart from nature, Worli painting, so we have talked about that Worli painting Worli painting actually revolves around the nature, the universe, the circle of light. But apart from this, apart from all these nature things, it covers day-to-day activities of the village people also. The paint various activities like dancing, playing, performing puja. So these scenes can be seen in the painting. So which is what we are painting today, a daily life. Now it is obvious that any art, any tribal art, any folk art will obviously have some modern trends in it. So here in this also there is a modern trend. So like as in traditional Worli art, you can see, as we have already discussed, there is some nature effect, some universal effect, circle of life and everything. But nowadays people are also painting bicycle, car, building, computer, spacecraft, train, etc. with the Worli designs. So that is the modern trend. And also in the traditional art, Worli art, you can see the shapes are line. Basically the Worli artists hardly use a straight line. There is the series of dots and dashes are made. So there is no straight line. They traditionally use dots or dashes. However, nowadays modern artists have begun to draw straight lines also. So I was saying that I have given some traditional designs and as well as the modern trends also. So you can see some triangular and some dots are there, and also some straight lines are there also. Now the most interesting part. So I don't think anybody have heard about it before. relation between maths and worldly art. So yes, obviously a tribal art can have a relation with a very hardcore subject like mathematics. Many of the core skills in art and math are closely related. In fact, both disciplines require spatial reasoning skills and the ability to recognize patterns. Artists and mathematicians use geometry in their work, including shapes, symmetry, proportion, and measurement. Just try once. So, did you like today's voyage of Worli tribal art from India? We will keep discovering new art forms from new places and unknown facts. So, if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms from different places, then subscribe our channel. We wish you an awesome week ahead. Bye bye. Take care.